shore. Now I show of hands, guys. Who here can swim? Thank you for volunteering to be our flotation devices here today. Another ship of hands. Who thinks the captain should go down with the ship? Alright, thank you for volunteering. So in the event that our top becomes our bottom and our bottom becomes our top, you trade places with me, I'll go home with your family, everybody else hang onto those flotation devices for me. Now, hopefully you guys check the 2D box so it's never on 365 days a year. What are you counting along home? Well, that's a lot of days. Now let's go around the corner. We are going to go over the Inspiration Falls. Everybody asks, why do you got Inspiration Falls? Well, legend has it, if you listen closely enough, it'll share wisdom with you. So go ahead and have a listen. Anybody hear anything? No, just me. Yes, I've been in the jungle just a little too long. Because it told me to take you guys into the Congo. So we're seeing how far we can go. Now, if you guys haven't brushed up on your bare necessities, well, it's alright. We do have a small library here in the jungle, but it only has one book. The Jungle Book! I got a little boat rental opportunity for you guys. If you guys want to ditch my bad jokes, go with your own bad jokes with your family, well, here you go. I can't see anybody canoe. I was ready to come back later when the skipper's not sleeping on the job again. You guys do get the opportunity to be one of those things though, and it tips over on you. I can wear the hat, and if it's any capsize. Yeah, you guys would have to be snakes. Trusted me, you didn't know what this thing to have a crush on. You can be a pretty constricting relationship. Well, you know, it's a python and not a boa, because, well, there's no feathers. This education programming brought to you by PBS. Pretty big snake. Was continued by my camp. Bugs, my roommates are just monkeying around again. We don't really have time for their shenanigans, so we're going to go banana and split. Well, we're coming down the Nile River, guys. It's over 4,000 miles long. It just goes on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, well, then you're probably in disbelief. Here's my friends, the African elephants. We do know they're African elephants from two distinct characteristics. The first of which are going to be those Dumbo-sized ears. Well, we're in Africa. As we come around the riverbed, we are coming up on the African belt. It's in charge of keeping up the paths of Africa. Living on all these wonderful animals we're about to see. Down here in the circle of life, we're going to see some short animals. We're going to see some really, really tall animals. We're also going to see some of the oldest animals here in the jungle. It's my zebra friends up on that hill. We do know they're the oldest because, well, they're still in black and white. They're also a lion's favorite snack, zebra on the rocks. But don't worry, guys, those lions do share their meal with such pride. And we don't take this next attraction for granted, folks. I think it's right. Solid. Dare I say, one of our bolder attractions. And there it goes. Wow, Monkey's amazing, guys. His entry had no limbs. Now it's got like 20. Otherwise, that's skipper down the bottom. I mean, we're afraid of termites, and that would be the rhino. That's why we keep you guys inside the boat. Animals on the outside of the boat. Well, remember some point for next time. I don't want to take this down quite on some of my favorite plants here in the jungle. It's Bellin. And Bellin. Oh, Bellin right down there. What are their names? Thanks for not asking. That's Steve, Susanna, and Fern. What are your scientific names? My bad. That's Dr. Steve. There's Susanna. Come on, Fern. He's got a PhD, so he's also a doctor. Look for everybody trying to share our folks, and I definitely did not pack enough rubber duckies for everyone. So let's see how fast I can turn this, folks. We did last time. Oh, wait, I don't want to talk about it last time due to legal reasons. It's kind of beneath me. Remind me, guys, it's both height me. Phew. A lot of people ask me how I landed my job here at the Jungle Cruise. It's kind of plain to see. I took a crash course online while my career just did not take off like I thought it would. But don't worry, guys, I'm just winging it now. My parents are so proud of... I'll look through similar to the hippo guys, and these guys can capsize a boat like a canoe. Well, I have more ways of scaring these guys off. Like I scared off my last relationship. I love you! I want a commitment! Oh wow, that works way too well. Must have been my wonderful personality. Now we're off headed into head under territory, folks. Normally it's a terrible place to be headed, but they put in a drive-in, so we're see what they're showing us here today. Wow, look at that 4K resolution, guys. Isn't that fantastic? I will admit it is a little easier to see at night. You need night vision to see it during the day. Those you can't see the screen right now, don't worry. It's really not offensive at all. Wow, they put on those song boards, guys. These guys are just so nice. Although my travel is a little rusty because I did skip that class. Looks like they're singing, it's a small world after all. It's a small world for all the geography inclined. Got a lot of seniors in the area. We're gonna take you at one. Hey, oops, well I must take a wrong turn in Albuquerque, folks. I've never actually seen this one before. Sure, this one's not too dangerous though, so let's mosey on inside. Just in case it is, you guys keep your eyes open. I'm gonna keep mine shut. Oh, there's Dennis on board, because looks right into a root canal. That's all a dry humor for you folks. They all love it just as much as I do. And we saw lions, we saw tigers, but we didn't see. Those jokes would have been unbearable. Oh my. Now as we come around the corner, we are coming from the most dangerous part of our journey here today. The return to civilization. I wish you guys a lot of luck. I had so much fun. I'm going to keep going around and around and around. But no attraction is really complete without its merchandise opportunities. And well, we just got a gift shop. Let's make sure your seat's in at the moment. You must be out collecting more material. Unbelievable neat stuff he brings back from stroller parking. I said fun here today. If you did, this has been the famous Jungle Cruise, and I'm your fellow skipper Anthony. If you didn't, well, it's been the wildest ride in the wilderness, my friend. I just didn't have fun today. Well, we are downhill, so we can only go uphill from here. Now, before we come up between those two docks, it's like we like to call paradox here in the jungle. And my two friends in khaki, well, that's just a pair of dorks. But please don't tell them I said so. That would just make working with them really, really awkward. But if you saved your minders, please do not cross over these center crates. It's not a crate idea. It's also a fire hazard. You trip, you fall. I laugh. I get fired. Please don't do that to me, folks. Please take all your personal belongings with you. I have enough baggage as is. Especially your small children. We do not want to have to bring them lost and found, because, well, in 24 hours, if you don't claim them, they are property of the company, and we will circle their feet to the bottom of It's a Small World by learning that silly song in 27 different languages. That being said, I do hope you enjoy the rest of your adventures, your fantasies here tomorrow, here today at the Magic Kingdom. Watch over that dysentery while you're here today. Do you have a question? Oh, they're very animated. Now, as we come up between those docks, please keep your hands on our seat, legs inside the boat. And anybody you did not throw overboard, sorry, you missed that opportunity here today. That being said, please don't succumb to any unnecessary peer pressure. There's definitely no pressure there at all, only you guys getting out on that dock. Now, you guys have been great today, but I do think you guys can be outstanding on the dock. So, please watch your head, watch your step, and stay seated until the dorks, I mean my friends, it's okay to get out. Once they do, please watch your head, watch your step. If you can, please watch your language. There are kids around. If you do miss that step, feel free to write it a letter.